you're gonna have your popsicle stick. Okay? For this project, guys, you guys are gonna need your scissors, your glue stick, and you might need some markers or pens if you want to color the eyes and if you want to decorate your popsicle, okay? Um, some popsicles are not decorated like the ones I did first. This one, as you can see, has like little red cheeks on it. Trying to make it a female, but I didn't put the lashes on there. And then this one's just the regular one. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's very easy, guys. So I made it easy for you guys. I know some of you have very hard time tracing, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna do a pink one, okay? And I'm gonna use yellow, the yellow melting ice cream on top, okay? Whatever color that is, probably lemon, right? Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And we are gonna start by cutting, okay? So go ahead and grab your scissors and start cutting your popsicle. Alright, so go ahead. I might do another one later just so you guys can see how different you guys can do it. Decorating it. Okay, so go ahead and just cut your popsicle. If you want to put it apart, Emmy, so you can do it together with us. And go ahead and cut your popsicle. Okay. If you guys don't know how to do it, just put it to the side and wait for us when we do it in Zoom. Okay. Now we're gonna cut the melting ice cream on top. And go ahead and circle all around. I don't know if you guys see me there. Okay. Cut all around the melting ice cream. It's very, very easy. All right, so now I hope you guys all found it. I know some of you guys don't have it, the ones that don't get packages, but okay, after you guys have these two pieces, we're gonna go ahead and cut the eyes. Grab your eyes, and we're gonna cut those. Just cut around the eyes on the black line. Follow the black line all around. Continue cutting until you're all done, okay? There you go. There you go. Okay, so now I have my eyes, and so you're gonna need your popsicle stick, your ice cream, your melting ice cream, and your eyes, okay, for now. Now we're gonna go ahead and glue this part on here, okay? Try to put it as high as possible as you can't see the pink on the outside, okay? So I'm gonna grab my glue, and I think you guys, let me see if you can see there. And just start putting glue all around Just on the whole thing so it could stick on the ice cream. Okay? I'll clean the table later. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this part on the top of the ice cream. Try to put it as top as high as you can. So it doesn't show the pink that much. Hold on, I'm putting it a little crooked. There you go. You can still see the pink a little. There you go. See how it goes? It's going to be the melting top. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and glue the eyes. Okay? Also put glue all around because these have to be glued on the ice cream. Okay. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and put the eyes in the center. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and color. You guys can do the inside. Let me see. Grab your marker and let me see. And if you guys want to do the inside of your eye blue, like that, then the rest of it we can color it black. Okay. You could do it brown. You could do it hazel. And just go ahead and color your eye, okay? Go ahead like this. Like so. There you go. You guys see that? Tiro sus papeles. Okay? So that's how the eyes go in the center of the ice cream, okay? Now, we can go ahead and add the popsicle stick on the back. Or you know what? I don't know if you guys want to decorate it before we glue the stick on there, because then the stick, oh, excuse me. Because then the stick is going to be in the way, okay? So if you guys want to decorate it, and just grab your markers and put like little sparkly things. Grab whatever colors you guys want, which it doesn't really make a difference because this is a dark construction paper. So you can't really tell, but if you do it in a white or lighter colors, it looks like you got the chicken pox. Okay, since we're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the little mouth on it before I start putting my dots in there. So we're gonna do a mouth, a smiley mouth, okay? And I'm gonna make mine a girl. I forgot. I'm gonna make mine a girl, so I'm gonna put the lashes. Okay. So I'm gonna grab my red marker so I could do the cheek part. Just some red cheeks on it. Okay. And now we can go ahead and continue decorating because I didn't want to write on it. I'll give her a little more right there. Just decorate it. You guys can do other stuff if you want to too. These you can't really see because it's the same color. Okay, guys. Alrighty. See how it is now? I don't know how far you guys are, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and put glue on my stick. And I'm not gonna do it on all the stick. It's just gonna be maybe a little bit less than half, okay? So just put, you can see right there. Just put glue on your stick. And then put your stick in the back. Oops. Make sure your stick is straight, because sometimes when you turn it over, it looks crooked. Okay, so you see how I glued it from the back? I think it looks. Okay, guys. Let me see, Emmy. Oh, you didn't fix it? Oh, you glued it onto the pineapple one. Ah. Good job, Cynthia. Good job, guys. Alrighty. So that's our popsicle. Nice. Good job, Juan. Good job. Alrighty. I mean, you can't take it off, Emmy? It's hard? Oh, it's glued, huh? Okay, that's okay. All right, guys. Did I forget anything? Let me see. No, I didn't forget anything. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and make another one. Okay, just for fun. Now this time I'm gonna make a green one. Okay, and I'm gonna do it on either purple or blue. Okay, let me think. Which one looks better? I'll do the purple. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do purple with the green. Okay, and we're gonna make this one more, well, different, just different. Okay, go ahead and well, watch me now because I think I only sent you guys one. I also sent the sample. Okay, guys. So we have our ice cream. Now I'm gonna cut the melting part. So it's gonna be the same popsicle, but we're gonna try to not make it a female and just a regular, okay? So go ahead and if you're still working on yours, go ahead and just keep doing it, okay? You can decorate it as however you want, okay? Go ahead and continue. There you go. And now I'm gonna cut my eyes. Cut the eyes. Like that. It's very easy, very simple. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and color my eyes first. I'm just gonna do them black this time. Leave these two little circles inside the eye white. That's just kind of to make a reflection on the eye. Okay? The light, the reflection of the light. All right. There you go. Now we're going to do the other one. Just color your eye. And you should have them like this. There's two little white dots in the center, in the middle. All right, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to turn this one around this time and do it the opposite way, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put glue on this side. Okay. Just put glue on all your, on the back of this. Okay, and we're going to glue it onto the popsicle. And this one's different from this one. I just put, this one has a bigger mouth on this side and this one's different, okay? I just did it the opposite way. All right, now I'm going to glue the eyes here. So go ahead and, if you guys hear somebody snoring, guys, don't listen to that, please. You can hear somebody snoring here. Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, go ahead and glue the eyes. Right about, let me see, hold on. Ooh. There you go. Go ahead and center it. And then I'm gonna write my mouth in there. This one is just more simple, see? More simple. If you guys want to decorate it, you can. It's up to you. Oh, but I forgot to bring a stick for this one. Okay, so we gotta just make sure that, how many of you are done already? Very fast and easy project, right? Good job.